We are taking it back to the late 90s, the early 2000s. We're throwing a charm party. So Studio 5 style editor Daylan Dove is here to tell us a little bit more. Daylan?
Hey, Amy, I'm here with parenting contributor Heather Johnson. We are having a charm party. I mean, I'm just going to say it the way it is. We are partying over here. We're going to do bracelets and necklaces today, but I'm asking Heather first. Heather, have you ever had a charm bracelet?
Yes, I have actually, except mine was plastic.
Well, naturally.
Day, right? It looked so similar to this, bigger links, pink links, right? And then
so cute.
We like hooked things into it.
With like the clasps.
With the clasps.
So we're doing a little bit different today. I was asking Heather if she was picking out some charms. Which one is she drawn to? Share with us. It's so sentimental and so Heather.
I think I'm drawn first to any initials, right, for our kids' names and my husband's name. So I think that's where I'm headed first. There are some really cute ones though, like just that are small. I'm drawn to the small ones.
More dainty.
The dainty ones, yes.
Yes, that's what makes this so fun is it's customizable. We'll be sharing all the details coming up. Back to you, Amy.
All right, thank you. So fun, Daylan. So I'm here with Courtney Rich. She's popped back in, and style editor Daylan Dove. So how's this charm party going? Oh, and Avery.
Yes.
Courtney's daughter. So fun. She's already picked hers out. How's it going?
Oh, she's a pro.
You're a pro.
Avery should be teaching all of us, is what I've learned. I was like, oh, when you do this and this, she's like, I know, I've done this.
She's
I'm
like
you, and in the nicest, sweetest way, she is the pro here, and we love it. Courtney has picked out so many cute charms. I wanted her to tell us what one she picked out.
Okay, so I went for a necklace, a little bit longer. Avery's doing the bracelet. I picked out a C for Courtney, but also works for cake, you know, for us. We got the both there. And then I went with some girly things. So I saw the little perfume bottle and thought that was just so cute. A little pink, because that's my color, with a heart for love. Okay, cherries reminded me of like our charm bracelets as little girls. So when I saw the little cherries, this was such a thing in the 90s. And then Avery helped me pick out a little crown. So I put 5 on mine. And then she's got the cutest ones. And she grabbed 7 and like just is whipping this out.
She has a matching crown.
She's laid them all out, so she has the right order, and she's doing it right.
Yeah.
So cute.
Thanks, you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll check back on their progress in a little bit. We are ready to party, everybody, to show you how to throw into charm necklaces. It's the it accessory right now, and you're going to see it everywhere if you haven't already. So from teens to Nana, we think everybody can rock this trend. So we're inviting you to gather the girls, create a unique to you statement piece of your own. Style editor Daylan Dove is here. She's stepping into her DIY era to give us the how-to.
I am excited.
Okay, I know she's excited.
Waiting. I'm like, and I can't wait because listen, I am obsessed with charm bracelets. I didn't get this era.
I didn't either.
Okay, so I wasn't in the trending time of
the charm
bracelets, necklaces. So now this feels so new to me, and I'm obsessed.
And you're saying that it's good for all the generations, as we've seen.
Yes,
we had.
The reason it's so good is because you can make it completely unique, right? So if someone likes something a little bit more subtle and classic, they can do subtle and classic charms. If someone wants a little bit more bold, which kind of maybe goes into that younger generation, there is completely customizable options so that everybody can get involved, everybody can have fun, but then you can have a little sentimental thing that expands the generations.
Yes. Okay, let's talk sourcing because I know that you got yours on Amazon, but there's you say pretty much any craft store?
Pretty much any craft store. So a lot of these are for Amazon. I'm a 2-day ship kind of gal. If I can ship it in 2 days, I will. So Amazon, but really any Michaels, Hobby Lobby, Temu, things like that where you can source these types of things, you're gonna find them there. It's just what you're looking for, really.
Okay, so let's talk about what we need to get started.
Right, so you obviously need your charms. I say you need about 5 to 7 charms, either in a bracelet or a necklace. So depending, I like to do odd so that one's kind of like the center stone kind of your necklace. But once you have your charms, you're gonna get your necklaces. I also got these on Amazon over here, your necklaces and bracelets.
Paper clip.
Yep, we're gonna link everything on the website.
Okay.
So if you are wondering, you can get these. The key is to look for the paper clip chains so that you're gonna have those bigger holes so that you're able to clip on the charms. It makes it a little bit easier. Next, you're gonna get these. I didn't know what they were called until I found out. They are called jump rings. So basically, these are all different sizes of rings and then some clasps so that you're able to hook these charms onto your necklace in a really seamless, very classy way.
And they'll hang well.
And they'll hang well. So that's just depending on what size you choose. You want to go the smallest you can, but you also want to make it so it's not a headache for you. So jump rings, and then also you want pliers.
Needle nose.
Needle nose
That's
pliers
right.
makes it really easy. So if you're ready,
I'm ready.
let's do it. Okay, so
and what I love that Daylan's done here, she's given us a really wide selection. So if you want to go Barbie Cowboy Ken, you could do that over here. Or if you just wanted to go gold. So we're going to pick our charms.
yes, pick your charms. I want you to pick if you're going to do a bracelet or a necklace first.
I'm doing a necklace.
You're going to do a necklace. I like to unhook your necklace. I like to lay it out flat. While you're doing that, I will say, if you have a lot of people, and these necklaces, they're about 15 bucks on Amazon. So if you have a lot of people, you can also get the paper clip chain in a spool, and then you can clip them to whatever length you want.
Love it.
And then you can use these jump rings that comes with it, and you can connect them into a bunch of different necklaces.
Just to be easy, just show me how to attach an A.
Okay, an A for Amy. So you're gonna take this jump ring. It's kind of small. The way that it happens is you can open it up on one of the sides. My thing with this, my technique that I like, you're actually not gonna pull it apart, you're just gonna twist it. So that way it makes it easier to close. So you're gonna twist it, go ahead and put the charm, no pressure, Amy, just live television here.
Just put this on,
Yep.
boom.
So once the charm's on there, you're gonna link it to the necklace.
So you have to open it wide enough, obviously, that
Open
it'll
it.
fit over that link.
And then you're just gonna pinch it together. And when I say that, it usually does it. But of course, when we're on TV, it doesn't.
No,
then you
that's
pinch
it.
it together, and that's it. And
That's
then
a
you
good
have
tip,
one.
though.
You already have one charm on your necklace. Like I said, I think you should do 5 to 7 charms that make it unique, right? A for Amy, a cowboy boot. If you love that rodeo, that
Yes, that's
Oakley
true.
rodeo.
That's true.
So we're gonna add that, but make it unique to you. And then also for the necklaces, I do suggest getting about a 20-inch necklace. Everything else feels a little bit smaller, and then you don't have. It feels like, because the charms are already there, it just makes it a little bit easier to wear and more doable in the trend.
And you can always take a link off if you need to,
You
if
can
you want
always
it
take
shorter.
a link off. This is always customizable, but the fun is really in the customization.
Yes, okay, and you've linked all of these supplies on our
All of
website.
them. Yep, so you can throw your own charm party. I've done this with tons of girls. Once you add up everything and you have a bunch of people, it's really, really inexpensive.
Okay, she's done it for us. Thank you so much, Daylan.
Thanks, Amy.